In today's video, we're going to be working in the garden, hoping to get it finished. You eat my flower. This is what we picked up. We've got 5 tomato plants and 5 or 6 pepper plants, some cucumbers, and we're going to plant some seeds, and I've got some onion sets we're going to plant. And I might even plant me some garlic. We're going to plant these little onions. Haley gave them to me. Her and Alan planted some of these. I think I'm going to put my tomatoes up here on this side next to this cattle panel, so when I have to put cages around them, if need to, I might could tie it over to the panel. Is what I'm thinking. I mean, I got 4 tomato plants because we're going to do more peppers than tomatoes. First one, I don't think y'all could even see that good. This one is dried out. I'm gonna have to water it. I didn't notice it that this one's so dry, but I'll water it as soon as we get it planted. See how dry that is? That one didn't have no ones to break off on it. Put a little tag right there. And we'll give it some water fast. Now you can see this one has a lot of little ones that need broke off. But that'll help all this up here get to growing. Start on this end and work our way up to the tomatoes. And I'm going to start with my jalapeno peppers. Some of that soft dirt right there. It's pretty hard. This is the kind we went with. Y'all can see them. Can't see nothing out here. We just camera to make sure y'all can see. We got our first pepper plant in the ground, y'all. We got a bunch more to go. Now, I'm going to start putting my coffee grounds out here. And any kind of, like, old banana peelings. Now, I'm going to start putting my coffee grounds out here. And any kind of, like, old banana peelings. Onion peelings for fertilizer out of the kitchen. Okay, we got those plants down there. Now we're going to put our cucumber seeds down that road right there next to the fence. We're fixing to have to go in and check our rice, y'all. Trying to get done. Hoping it rains. Look there, I just dropped two. We'll have cucumbers all over this garden. That'll be okay. We'll make pickles. And I'll probably have to thin them out. We're going to finish the garden today. We've got these Crowder peas we're going to put in these last 3 rows. I'll put like 2 in case they don't come up. I was going to show y'all before I forget. If you see, you can tell what we done was I soaked my peas before I got ready to plant them. And soaking them in like a mesh bag, let out in the sun for a little while, not long at all, it made them crack open. Makes it easier for them to sprout, I believe. Well, the garden is starting to grow. What are you doing? Cucumber plant already has flowers on it. Well, y'all, we finally got the garden finished. And it's coming up. It's dry, we need a lot of rain. But I think we got a little bit of rain coming in the forecast. So maybe that'll help the garden. We're hoping to get enough vegetables to put up just a few meals for Travis and myself. A little bit helps. It's better than nothing. Well, these girls are hungry today. Y'all like, share, and subscribe if you hadn't already. And like always, we just want to say a big thanks for watching our channel and happy gardening. Hello, ladies.